Ready to level up? Turn any backyard into the ultimate training camp with the Kidsmate Speed and Agility Training Kit. Let's begin with the unboxing. Carefully cut the tape and open the box. Inside, you will find the 5 high visibility training cones, snap together agility hurdles, 5 space markers, a user guide manual, and a pro-grade agility ladder. Designed for quick and hassle-free setup, the entire kit can be arranged in minutes. Start by spacing out the hurdles to create a challenging course. Then arrange the cones for weaving and direction change drills. Unroll the agility ladder for fast footwork training. Create a complete sports training setup in almost any open space. Kidsmate Agility Kit is made from strong yet lightweight PVC material. Every piece is designed for long-lasting indoor and outdoor use. The agility ladder helps improve foot speed, coordination, balance, and quick movement control. Build explosive power, speed, and body control with agility hurdle training. Use the marker cones and space markers to create custom obstacle courses and improve agility, reactions, and confidence. Train smarter, move faster, and play harder with the Kidsmate Agility Kit, your complete training solution for skill building on the go.